Let me show you why it's so easy to hit in baseball. Yesterday we put out 3 plays. We had the New York Mets. We also had Bryce Terang from the Brewers to get under 1.5 hits. Toronto Blue Jays Alejandro Kirk to get under 1.5 hits. Alejandro Kirk was actually voided. We also had a free play for a parlay that was 1 hit each. Alec Bohm and Bobby Witt Jr. Alec Bohm just failed to get a hit. So Bobby Witt Jr. did get a hit, but Alec Bohm did not. I mean, it just happens. I put out the data behind it and he just didn't connect. We're actually up over 90 units for baseball this season already. So let me show you the play that has been hitting for us since the All-Star game. It's been the incredible under 1.5 hits. So let me show you the research that I'm doing behind today. It's going to be, again, yesterday this guy hit for us, and we're going to go right back to the well. Bryce Terang under 1.5 hits. This guy has been struggling. As you can see here, he's at a 20% hit rate for this line. When he's faced Mikolas, he's gone up 9 times against this pitcher, and he's only hit 1 time. That's an 11% hit rate. He's also failed to hit this 1.5 line 15 out of the last 16 games. As you can see right there, it's 20% hit rate in the last 10 games. So the play for today is Bryce Terang under 1.5. And even though this is an expensive odd at minus 200, and I've paid even higher than this, is because it's been so consistent. When I try to parlay these, for some reason they just don't hit. But ever since I started doing straight bets, even though it's more expensive, it's been very profitable ever since the All-Star break. If you love information like this, make sure you subscribe.